Good morning, students. Today we will continue worksheet 5, page number 16. As you see, in the previous class, I had completed up to this. Now we will do this one. Children, as there is no other option, one piece of broccoli is here. So you may write some broccoli. Some is used with less in quantity, not very less, less. And it is used with countable and uncountable both. So that's why we may use some here. Some, BROCCOLI. BROCCOLI, some broccoli. Okay. For this question you may use some here. But otherwise one broccoli is here. So a broccoli should be written here. A broccoli. But A option is not there in the box, add box. That's why for this question, nutritious food, okay, we may use here some. Many carrots, okay. Now let us go to the next one. Many carrots. Many carrots, it is already written there. Next you come to this one. See, it has been indicated to this one. So what will you write here? A little, LITTLE, little cheese. A little cheese, CHEESE, cheese. Next, milk bottle is here. A little milk means very less quantity. A little milk. Next, sugar. We may write here some sugar or enough sugar. If it is enough for the purpose, then you may write enough sugar, or you may write also some sugar. Some is used both with countable and uncountable. Some sugar or enough sugar. SOME, some. Some sugar and enough sugar you may write. So children, this answer is over. We have already completed this question. Now we'll go to worksheet 6. So please see here worksheet 6. Preet is suffering from a severe stomach ache. Her doctor has asked her to give him a detailed explanation of her eating routine. Doctor has asked her to give a detailed explanation of her eating routine. She is busy today and can't meet the doctor. Preet is busy today, she can't meet the doctor. So she goes to his clinic early and leaves a message for him to read. Complete what she has written. Complete what she has written. So Preet has left a message for the doctor. So what was written in the message? What is written in the message? Let us read, and there are some blanks. We should fill the blanks. Students, please see here what she has written. Dear doctor, I usually eat a healthy breakfast. Preet has written she usually eats a healthy breakfast. I always have some fruits. I eat blank apples. Some apples In breakfast, you should not write many apples. Some apples you should write. Bananas. And I drink a little water. I drink a little water. I do not apply butter on my bread. I drink little water. Why it was written I drink little water? Little means almost nothing here. No. Why it is no water? Because after taking the fruits, immediately one should not drink much water there. That's why little water it is written there. I don't apply butter on my bread. I eat a sandwich with blank juice for lunch. With a little juice. A little means very little quantity. Little means almost nothing, almost nil, and a little means some, very little quantity. I eat a sandwich with a little juice for lunch. I also have blank helpings of salad with I also have some helpings of salad with a lot of vegetables. With a lot of vegetables. So children, please fill the blanks with these words as you see here. Okay, now we'll go to the next worksheet 7. Now children, please see here. Worksheet 7. We have to learn the use of a and an. Use of a and an. Page number 18. See this picture you see. Cartoons. Here something is written. Let us read what these children speak. See, these are actually fruits and it has been designed in different shapes. So what is being said by this girl? Let us see. The girl is saying, it is a bird. No. It is a pineapple. The girl says, it is a pineapple. Pineapple is singular. So before the singular noun we'll use a here. 1. Next, this girl speaks. What he speaks? She speaks. It is a mouse. This girl speaks. It is a mouse. And this boy says, what does this boy say? No, it is a fish. Or fish. For singular, a is used here. This dog is speaking. Dog is speaking what? They are silly, foolish. It is an elephant. The dog is speaking. It is an elephant. What is the cat saying? A fish, a pineapple, a bird. The cat is questioning. It is an octopus. The cat is saying it is an octopus. So, children, an was used here before the vowels. Vowels are the words, the letters A, E, I, O and U. A, E, I, O and U. These are known as vowels. Whenever this vowel sound comes in any word, before that, if it is singular, we use an. If it is singular, suppose elephant, an will be used. See, an elephant, the dog has said. If it is, suppose onion, Suppose ink pot or apple. Apple is said here. It is here pineapple. If it is apple, then these words are started with A, O, umbrella, U. So here A, in place of A we use an. Before the vowel sounds we will use one, an. Before the vowel sounds we will use an in a word. Before the word we will use an. If it is singular. So let us see. A before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. Just as you say, read there, consonant sound, pineapple, P, consonant. So before that we use A. Example is given here. Suppose banana. Banana is B is consonant. That's why it is here A, banana. A bird, a cat, a dog. All these are consonants. F, M, P, T, P. These are consonants and singular nouns. Okay, single. So that's why we will use here A. But if it is vowel sound, vowel sound is there in the beginning of the word, then we will use here an for singular noun. Example, ant. Just now I had given some examples also. Ant, an ant. Single. Apple, a sound, an apple. Arm, a sound, an arm. Elephant, an elephant. Engineer, an engineer, e sound. Eye, an eye. An ice cream. An octopus. An orange, O sound. An umbrella, U sound. An owl, O sound. So as I told you, if it is A, E, I, O, U in the beginning of the word, and the sound also A sound or E sound or I sound or O sound or U sound in the beginning of the word only, and it is singular also, the noun, then we will use here an. So now we will go to worksheet 8. The following passage has not been edited. Some mistakes are there in every line. Has not been edited and it has not been corrected. The line has not been corrected. There are certain words missing. Some words are missing here. A slash has been provided wherever a word is missing. This line, such line is called slash. Wherever one word is missing, a slash has been provided there. Write the omitted word, the word which is missing there. You have to write the word in the space provided. You have to write the word in the space provided. So one has been done here, see, and you have to do the rest. My brother has just bought blank laptop. Which word will be used here? See, it is not A, E, I, O, U in the beginning. It is L. L is consonant. The laptop is singular here. So you will use here A laptop. Write down here. The space has been provided you to write the answer. You will write the answer here. A laptop. Next. It has colored screen. C sound, consonant sound. So you will write here A colored screen. Write in the space provided. A you will write here only. Okay, answer you will write here. So next one, it is easier on the eyes than it is easier on the eyes than blank black and white screen than a a black and white screen. The computer has a battery A, so my brother can use it without electricity for up to for up to 8 hours. It also has modem inside. A modem A. If he wants to send. Now students, you see, I had told you vowels A, E, I, O, U. E is here, so you will write here an email. He can do so easily by. Write down please an email there in the space provided here. You write down an. By connecting it to the internet. A laptop is very small computer. So the word missing here is A. Is a very small computer. A laptop is a very small computer. So children, these are the answers. You can see here also. Please note down the answers in your book. We'll go to the next exercise. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. Test your knowledge. Get into pairs. You have to attempt the test given below. The test is given below. You have to attempt the test in 10 minutes by encircling the correct word. You will encircle the correct word. Some options have been given A, B, C, all these. You have to encircle the correct word. You score 1 mark for every correct answer. You will get 1 mark for every correct answer. The pair that finishes first wins. The pair that finishes first wins it. So children, if you want to give the test, you may stop the video, do it in your copy, rough copy or somewhere, then you will see the answer. I am telling you the answer now, but if you want to give your test, you should do this way. Stop the video, do it yourself, write the answer in a rough copy, then you see the answers here on the video, in the video. So, but I am continuing now. For your understanding, have you got blank potato? It is a question. Usually we will use here any. We use here any. Have you got any potato? This one is correct. Next, I eat blank ice creams in summers. See, ice creams have been written here. So we will write the answer here. A lot of. A lot of. Okay. A lot of you will write here. Next. I have got a stomach ache. I was thirsty and drank blank bottles of Coke. Too many. It will not be here any or much, too much. It will be too many bottles of Coke. Too many bottles of Coke. Next. Number 4, have you got blank money? When answer is expected positive, in positive we may write some. Have you got some money? So next one. Dash elephants are there in the zoo. How many? We will write here how many elephants are there in the zoo, because it is countable. So next one, number 6. Neha is not eating blank cake. She's on a diet. Neha is not eating blank cake. She's on a diet. Any is correct here. Any. In negative, we usually use any. Next, number 7. Dash of the workers turned up for the meeting. Dash of the workers turned up for the meeting. Neither. Neither means no one out of the two. Neither of the workers turned up for the meeting. Next, number 7. Number 8. You can wear blank the red frock or the yellow one. You can wear blank the red frock or the yellow one. So here it is either. Either means out of the two, one. So you can wear either the red frock or the yellow one. Opposite of either is neither. Number 9. Did you participate in blank competition as a participant? Did you participate in any competition? In any competition as a participant. Next, this is the blank set of notebooks that I have to check. This is the blank set of notebooks that I have to check. So the correct answer is here first. F-I-R-S-T, first. Now let us come to the next number. Work in groups of 4. Add a suitable noun to each of the determiners given below. Some determiners have been given here. So you have to add a suitable noun to it. Put a tick mark against the countable nouns. And the noun, if the noun is countable, you have to put a tick mark. All students, all books, all copies, you may write. This is countable, you should give it tick mark. Some teachers, some students, some pens, countable nouns you have to write here. Any book, any copy. It is also used for countable and uncountable both. You may write here tick mark because book is countable. Second period. It is also countable, so you may write tick mark here. You may give. Another day, another boy, another girl, okay. So another man also. Any countable noun you may use here. Please give tick mark. Many countries. Suppose, see children, I have written clearly C-O-U-N. So children, please see, I have written here very clearly. Now please note down COUNTRIES, many countries, and give tick mark also, many countries. Next, first girl is countable, please give tick mark. Third class is countable, give tick mark. Next week, WEEK, week is countable, give tick mark please. Next you see next week, then you write down last month. Month is countable, please give tick mark. Each school, SCHOOL, school. Each school, each book, each boy, each girl, okay. Each school, give tick mark. Much is used with uncountable. You have not to give tick mark here. Much water is uncountable, cannot be counted. Much water. Next, either workers. Just now I told you about the word either and neither. Either means out of the two, neither means no one of the two. So either of the workers, tick mark. Workers is countable of few chocolates. Tick mark. Chocolates is countable. All little is used with uncountable. And oil is uncountable here. We use uncountable noun. A little oil, a little water, a little salt, a little sugar. This way you may write. You have not to give here tick mark. Neither students. Thus the opposite of either is neither. Neither students. Give tick mark. Students is countable. Every day. Every day. Day is countable. Enough sugar. Enough sugar. Sugar is uncountable. You have not to put here tick mark. Children, some correction is here. Don't write S here with either. Either is used means out of the two, one. So you have to not to write S here. Worker, W-O-R-K-E-R, worker. Okay, the same way neither. Don't write S here. Don't write S here. Write down student. S-T-U-D-E-N-T, student. Only S-T-U-D-E-N-T. Okay. Student. Neither student, either worker, not workers, worker. Let's correct it. So now this is over. Every day enough sugar. Enough sugar. Sugar is uncountable. That's why we will not use here. You will not give tick mark here. Sugar is uncountable. So now this exercise is over and also the chapter is over. Next class we will go to unit 3. Thank you.